there's a huge manipulation and corruption on birthright citizenship. So whatever decision will come out from the Supreme Court on birthright citizenship will be a total manipulation and a huge fraud from Trump lawyers to the Supreme Court judges. This decision is so important because millions of Americans will be affected, those who are in the US and those outside the US. Now, listen to what Trump lawyers are telling the Supreme Court judges to bypass the lower court order. Now, you have to understand that the lower court order, that Trump executive order, has no power to end birthright citizenship. Now, Trump lawyers are telling them, don't worry about that, just bypass it and give us a favor. Now, listen to the audio by yourself.
As I understand it, long-standing policy of the Department of Justice, yes, that we generally, as it was phrased to me, generally respect circuit precedent, but not necessarily in every case. And some examples might be a situation where we're litigating to try and get that circuit precedent overruled and so forth.
Well, okay, so I'm not talking about a situation in which, you know, the Second Circuit has a case from 1955 and you think it's time for it to be challenged. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about in this kind of situation. I'm talking about this week, the Second Circuit holds that the executive order is unconstitutional, and then what do you do the next day or the next week?
Generally, we follow those.
So you're still saying generally?
Yes.
And you still think that it's generally the policy, long-standing policy of the federal government to take that approach?
That is my understanding.
What Trump lawyers just did is dangerous for the entire American legal system. It's called, in legal term, a perjury, manipulation, lies, just to gain a favor on their side. And it's punishable by law. And it shouldn't go down without punishment. I'm Luke, immigration lawyer.